My name is Andre and I started trading back in 2018. I started my first job and I really wanted to make some extra cash because the salary back then wasn't good enough for me and I wanted to have more money to do more things. And I saw this trading thing on Instagram and everywhere. I had a few friends that started doing it as well and I really wanted to dive into it. And I lost a lot of money following the wrong people, the wrong signals, the wrong gurus. And it really cost me dearly in those times. So I almost left trading even thanks to that. And it took me about 2 years to actually be profitable, find the right education, taking my time, practicing, spending a lot of time on the charts, and just realizing that trading can be profitable if you do it correctly and put in the time. You just don't become successful or an expert in something overnight. It really takes time. Anything that's worthwhile takes time. And thankfully I found Think Markets that has a proper platform, great execution on trades. They've got everything you need to start out your trading journey, like Traders Gym. You even get rewarded while trading. So especially to new traders, you want to use a platform that gives you the advantage in this trading space and make sure that you actually follow and educate yourself with the right people and having a proper broker backing you during that process. So yes, everyone starts somewhere and the losses was real and painful, but hopefully if you're on the right track, you can minimize those losses. So that is my story with how I started trading. And you can also be a good trader if you do it correctly with the right broker.